It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This sharply styled SUV offers muscular lines with the refined elegance you'd expect in a luxury vehicle. A smooth 7-speed automatic transmission pairs with a 300 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine and an eco stop-start system, delivering responsive performance. It's also packed with amenities for your convenience, such as dual-zone climate control, smart key, and power seats with memory settings.
The memory seats will adjust to your preferred position, so you are always riding comfortably. This vehicle, with its grippy all-wheel drive, can handle anything Mother Nature throws at you.
Burl walnut trim accents every surface, ensuring that the cockpit of this SUV is a place you'll look forward to being every day. Stop in and experience it for yourself.
Visit us online at tafelmotors.com. Call or stop in at 4156 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. A memorable experience awaits.